right, so thank you for joining today's edition of the StockBuzz. And let's look at MGM, in general, these casinos. Today we have a perfect example of an intraday trade here, as this thing, this is open this Friday, given the bad employment number. It opened all the way down to 10, very close to 10, which is the 50-day moving average. And right there, what happened was a move to the upside, a really strong move to the upside, because that was the time to buy right there. The 50-day, that was a technical buy by the traders intraday. Now, don't think that this thing is going to stream to the upside. The casinos are going to have to grind around for some time, because a lot of technical damage has been done to this. First, this big move to the upside towards 14, and then a big move towards the downside towards 10. So that's a big move, and it's a lot of volatility that at one point is going to do the same thing that it did here, which is trade sideways for a while. So that's what I'm expecting for these things to do, especially because you can see that the volatility area, given the Bollinger Bands, are starting to contract. So here's the trade here. When MGM broke the 200-day exponential moving average, entering what in flow trades we like to call the limbo zone, which is the gap between the 200-day exponential moving average and the 200-day simple moving average. And this gap here generates a sideways trade momentum into the dynamics of the particular stock or the market, whoever is between these gaps, because there are traders that are looking at this and they say, oh, it's resistance, like what happened right there, right? And it's at 11,633. That's the number there. And there are some guys that are saying, oh, this is support. But look at this big support. Support here is at 8. You're currently at 11. So obviously a break of the 50-day moving average can break MGM all the way back to 9, even 8 at some point. So depending on what the market starts doing. Let me clean this up. So be sure that you guys keep a short lead here, because I'm not expecting this thing just to go higher as long as it doesn't break right there, the 1165. It's still trading below the 20-day moving average, so I'm looking for some type of consolidation here before it starts moving higher. So I do believe there is going to be some grinding around these levels first before going into this trade. So don't rush into it. Although these things move too much intraday, don't rush into it, because as they move up, they also move down. So just wait for the setup. All right, so thank you for joining us tonight's edition of the Flow Trades StockBuzz, and hope that you take the 14-day free trial. Thank you.